Hello everybody! In this video we're going to learn about Git branches. In most cases, when you're working on a project with other people, you would work on a separate branch where your new features would live in. Once you're ready with the new changes, you would merge your branch to the main branch. This would look something like that. So you have your main branch where your active application lives, and then whenever you're adding new changes, you'd create a separate branch, then you'd do your commits on that branch, and whenever you're ready, you would merge your feature branch to the main branch. So let's see how this works in action. Currently, if we run git branch, we'll be able to see that we are on the main branch. If you wanted to create a new branch, we could again run the git branch command followed by the name of the branch that we want to create. So let's say we're adding a contact form. So we could say something like feature contact form. If you run that, and then if you run git branch again, we'll be able to see the new branch created here. However, as you can see, we are still on the main branch. To switch on to the new branch, what we need to do is run the checkout command. So if you run git checkout followed by the name of the branch, you'll be switched to the new branch. So let's quickly create a file here. Let's call this touchcontact.html. So now on the new branch, we have this new file. Let's go ahead and add it. And let's go ahead and commit it. Okay, now with that, we have made the commit to the new branch. If we run ls again, we can see the contact.html file here. But now if we were to switch to the main branch, so we switch back to the main branch, and now if we run the ls command again, you can see that the contact.html file is not in here because it's still living on the old branch. So if we go back to this little graph again, so we made that commit here, and this commit contains the contact.html file, which is only present on the new branch and not on the main branch. In the next video, we're going to learn how we can merge the changes from a specific branch to the main branch, or the other way around. The same goes for here. So let's say we created a new file here. Let's call this file about.html. And let's go ahead and add it and commit it. Now if we run ls, we can see the about.html file here, and we're on the main branch. If we were to switch to the feature branch again, just copy this from here. And if we run ls again, as you can see, the about.html file is not here. We only have the contact.html because the commit that we made was on the main branch. So it went something like that. We were on the main branch, there were some commits, then we created a new branch. We did a commit on the new branch, then we checked out back to the main branch, and then we made another commit there. Let's go back to the main branch. Another shortcut that you could use is rather than running git branch, then the name of the branch, and then running git checkout to switch to the new branch, you could use the git checkout -b, which stands for branch, and this would create a new branch and switch you to the new branch automatically. So let's say feature 1. As you can see, we were switched to the new branch straight away. So the branch was created and we were switched to the new branch straight away. And this is pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to learn how we could merge the changes from one of the branches to the main branch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.